Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming. Whatever. Today is Mom Mondays, and I was in the middle of cleaning up the house a little before bedtime, and I just figured I should record it. If you saw last week in my video, you'll know that I said between 7 and 8 that I do a 1 hour cleanup. So I just wanted to show you the process of me doing my 1 hour cleanup, and basically we're just going to go through the house. We're going to pick up things that need to be picked up. I always make sure to wash, well, I try to wash the dishes and whatever. Usually I don't do this every night. If I just did a field day is when I totally clean up the whole house the day before. And you know, I just make sure everything's away, so then the next day I don't have to do anything. So if I do a field day the day before, I don't do a 1 hour cleanup. But it's Tuesday, which means I did the 1 hour cleanup. Well, which means I did field day on Sunday, which is usually the day I do it. So today it's totally time to put away laundry, make sure my makeup table is totally clean, make sure the beds are made up, and make sure everything's alright. So today we're starting out in my son's room because that is absolutely the messiest. And yeah, I'm just showing you how I straighten up his room before bed so he can get into it and all that good stuff. So yeah. I'm gonna clean out my living room. It has been trashed by my son. There's toys everywhere and shoes and whatnot and towels for whatever reason. I'm gonna give it a good vacuum. I'm gonna wipe down my tables, and also I forgot to mention, like, I moved into this apartment a couple of weeks ago, and there's still some stuff that I'm getting together. You know, it's not all the way perfect yet, so if you see a little bit things like, okay, why is that still there? Well, that's the reason why I'm still adjusting and trying to get my life together. now we're, I think we got a couple more minutes until my hour is over. Usually around this time too, I'm getting my son prepared for his bath. So that's why my hour seems a little bit more shorter. But now we're just in my kitchen. I have dishes to clean up. I'm just going to throw them in the dishwasher because I just don't want to do them. Like, who really does dishes anymore? Not me. Alright, you guys, that's basically it. That's all I have time for. I'm about to throw away all the trash that I accumulated and just get ready for bed because it's obviously way past, well, it's almost time for bed in my daily schedule that you saw last week. Please make sure to check out that video. I also will have it up here, you know, for you to, you know, go click on that video and watch it. And I really like, you know, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I have more Mom Mondays for you.